How to cancel Planet Fitness membership online. First, open your browser on your PC. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you prefer. In the search bar of your browser, type Planet Fitness FAQs and hit enter. Look at the search results and click on the first link that appears. This should take you to the Planet Fitness FAQ page. On the FAQ page, find a section titled How do I cancel my membership? Click on this link. Within the membership cancellation section, look for a link to the Member Services department and click on it. You will be asked to select your specific Planet Fitness Club location. Find your location from the list and select it. Scroll down the page to a form where you need to fill in all the details they ask for. Find the section that says What can we help you with? And click on the drop-down menu. Select Billing Issue from the list of options. There will be an option asking Follow-up requested. Select Yes to request a follow-up from their team. In the box labeled Questions, Comments, type in that you want to cancel your membership. Be clear and direct with your request. Finally, click on the Submit Inquiry button. This will send your cancellation request to Planet Fitness. And there you have it. You've successfully requested to cancel your Planet Fitness membership online. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.